About this item: video game works with iOS 13.4 plus system arVin wireless game controller for iPhone 14, 14 Plus / 14 Pro / 14 Pro Max / 13 / 13 Mini / 13 Pro / 13 Pro Max / 12 / 12 Mini / 12 Pro / 12 Pro Max / 11 / 11 Pro / 11 Pro Max / X / XR / XS / XS Max / 8 / 8 Plus / 7 / 7 Plus / 6S / 6S Plus, for iPad / iPad Mini / iPad Pro / iPad Air. Press B and Home to connect your iPhone / iPad Bluetooth DualShock 4 wireless controller, no emulator required. Play directly. Video game works with Android 6.0 plus system arVin Android phone controller for Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra / S22 Plus / S22 / S21 Ultra / S21 Plus / S21 / S20 Ultra / S20 Plus / S20 / S10e / S10 Plus / S10 / S9 Plus